In this tutorial, we show you how to configure Financial Consolidation and Close for Enterprise Performance Management Cloud.